Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to consider the implementation of VHDL code for full adder considering the data flow modeling. So we will write first of all our aim, design full adder with VHDL code considering data flow modeling. So first of all you have to write all the important information regarding the full adder. So first of all we will write the block diagram for full adder. The block diagram for the full adder consists of what? This is your full adder. It has two inputs. Cut the last sentence. It has three inputs A, B and C and two outputs, that is sum and carry. After that you have to write down the logical expression. So for sum the logical expression is A XOR B XOR C, and for carry the logical expression is A B plus BC plus AC. Now after that you have to draw the truth table. So the truth table consists of three inputs A, B, C and output sum and carry. So three inputs, so possible combinations are 8, 0 to 7. So we will write here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is for 2, 0, 1, 1 for 3, 1, 0, 0 for 4, 1, 0, 1 for 5, 1, 1, 0 for 6 and 1, 1, 1 for 7. In this way we can write all the important information. This is the possible combinations for the input. Now you have to conclude the column for sum and carry. So we will write here 0 plus 0 will give you 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, carry is 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, carry is 0. After that you have 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, carry is 0. Then for the next combination we have 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. After that we have 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, carry is 0. Again we have 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. After that we have 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0 is 0 and carry is 1. Then what we have, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So that's why finally you can get 1 for sum and 1 for carry. So in this way you have to complete the truth table for the full adder. These are the three important basic points regarding full adder. Now logical diagram. Now the logical diagram for sum you can draw here XOR gate consisting of three inputs, that is A, B and C, and here for sum you will get A XOR B XOR C, and for carry you have to draw here 3 AND gate, and after that you have to make the addition of all the 3 AND gate with the use of OR gate. So here you can apply A, B, here B, C. After that, C, A. And finally, you can get the output for carry as AB plus BC plus CA. So, this is all about the important information regarding the design of full adder. After getting all this information, you have to design the VHDL code for the full adder. So, let's start the VHDL code. So, we will start with the library. IEEE you have to write here. After that, you have to write the use clause. So, I will write here use standard underscore logic underscore 1164 point all. Again write use standard underscore logic underscore arith dot all. Again write use standard. Again write use standard underscore logic underscore unsigned dot all. Now, with the use of data flow modeling, you have to design the full adder. So, this is the declaration for the library part. After that, you have to declare the entity using data flow type of modeling. So, I will write here entity full adder is. Inside the entity, you have to write the number of inputs required and number of outputs required for full adder. Now, if you see the block diagram, the number of inputs for full adder are 3 and outputs are 2. So, I will write here port. Port is the keyword you have to write here to define the inputs and outputs for the given system. So for port, I will write here A, comma, B, comma, C. All these are the inputs. So I will write here in standard underscore logic. After that, output are sum, comma, carry. These are the outputs. I will write here standard underscore logic. Then you have to end the entity followed by name of entity. Name of entity is full adder. In this way, you have to declare the input and output ports with the use of the entity. After that, you have to focus on architecture. Now, use the keyword architecture. After that, name of architecture is full adder 1 of name of entity is full adder. After that, is keyword you have to use here. Then you have to write the begin statement, and after that write down the desired formula to get the final answer. So for sum, your equation becomes A XOR B XOR C, and for carry you have to write A and B inside the bracket or B and C inside the bracket. Again write or C and A inside the bracket. After writing these two formulas, you can write your end statement. So write down keyword end to define the architecture statement, last statement, followed by name of architecture, that is full adder 1. So we can write here end statement for architecture with the keyword end followed by name of architecture, that is full adder 1. This is all about the VHDL code for implementation of the full adder using data flow modeling. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.